how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account, or how to cash out Cash App, or how to withdraw money. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from your Cash App to your bank account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment app just like Venmo that allows you to send and receive money with friends and family without needing to have cash on hand or even be in the same room. And it's perfect for things like splitting bills, chipping in for party snacks, or just splitting a meal. When someone sends you money on Cash App, it lives in the app. If you have a Square Cash card, then you can use it like a debit card and spend your balance anywhere that accepts Visa. However, if you don't have a cash card or would simply rather transfer your balance back to your bank account, doing so is also very simple and can be done instantly if need be. So all you have to do is open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android and tap on the banking tab from the bottom right corner of the screen, which looks like a house or a bank. Once you do so, on the next specific page underneath your cash balance, tap on the button on the right hand side that says Cash Out. Once you do so, the Cash Out menu will pop up with your full balance amount auto selected for transfer, and if you'd like to transfer less, use the touch screen to type in the amount. Once you've decided how much you want to transfer, just tap on the Cash Out button, which is at the bottom of the screen, and basically a pop-up will appear asking how you would like to deposit the money. If you select standard, the money will take 1 to 3 days to appear in your account. If you need the money immediately, you can tap instant for a 25-cent fee. And that's all it takes to transfer money from your Cash App to bank account. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.